Keyless entry fingerprint smart door lock, Sifely digital electronic lock with code passcode, electric door knob, biometric handle, perfect for front doors, bedrooms, homes, apartments, silver. Features: fingerprint access, biometric fingerprint recognition for secure and quick entry. Code passcode, programmable passcodes for multiple users, enhancing convenience and security. Keyless entry, eliminate the need for traditional keys with advanced keyless entry technology. Electric door knob, modern electric door knob for smooth and reliable operation. Biometric handle, ergonomically designed handle with integrated fingerprint scanner. Versatile use, ideal for front doors, bedrooms, homes, and apartments. Specifications: material, high-quality metal with a silver finish. Color, silver. Power supply, battery-operated. Backup key, mechanical key backup for emergencies. Installation, easy installation with standard door prep. Connectivity, optional smart home integration. Pros: enhanced security with biometric fingerprint access. Multiple access methods, fingerprint, passcode, mechanical key. Suitable for a variety of settings, homes, apartments, offices. Sleek and modern design. User-friendly installation and operation. Ideal for homeowners looking to upgrade their security. Renters and apartment dwellers needing easy access control. Offices requiring secure entry points without traditional keys. This smart door lock provides a blend of security, convenience, and modern design, making it a great choice for enhancing the safety and accessibility of various living spaces.